Chapter 7 Kitchen King. Cooking makes our food easier to digest and improves the food's appearance, texture, and flavor. Cooking makes our food easier to digest and improves the food's appearance, texture, and flavor. We cook our food using different methods. Let's talk about a few methods of cooking food. To cook in a covered container with holes, over boiling water is steam. To press, fold, and stretch dough until it is smooth is knead. To combine two or more ingredients together is blend. To brown or cook meat, fish, vegetables, or fruits in a small amount of fat is saute. To soak food in a liquid to add flavor in it is marinate. To remove bones is fillet. To lightly coat with oil, butter, margarine is baste. To cook using dry heat in an oven is bake. To cut food into small pieces is chop. To cook under direct heat is broil.